guys, this is Subhash here and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So I'm on my way to the Butterfly Beach, which is in Kankona area, and this is Bali. I have already crossed the Karwar road, so I'll take this road to Kankona, then I will take ride from there to the Butterfly Beach, then I will cover Aganda Beach also in my different episode. So I have that small bike today, so I'll ride that bike today. It's a very long distance, so I'll try to cover that beautiful place of that area, which is very inside there, inside in the mountains. So it's almost 4 kilometers inside from that main road there. So I'll take that road, cover that area today. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel guys for upcoming videos. Okay then guys. Okay guys, I am here now and I will take this road to the Agonda. This road, it's a Butterfly Beach there, so I'll capture that. Okay, this is the main road from Kankona and this side is Kankona Palolem. So I came from here. So this is Leopard Valley guys, they call the Butterfly Beach there inside, around 4 kilometers inside, so I'll take that road there. Okay, let's go. So this is the road here. Guys, this road will take to the Gonga Beach there, little bit further, and this one will go to the Butterfly Beach. After finish Butterfly, I'll try to go there also. Allow me to show this beach also. Okay guys, let's go here. It's around 2 kilometers away from here. Let's see. So road is something like this. It's total off-road till 4 kilometers. I have been on this beach last year or something, July, on my Apache bike. So I was thinking to bring that bike, big one. So plan has changed. So I'm taking this bike on a ride. It's almost 2 kilometers more I have to ride on this terrain there. Those who didn't came to this place but they have visited Goa, you guys must visit this place and you will see the real Goa in South Goa here. This is a car parking, they charge $100. Guys, Butterfly Beach is this way, so cars are not allowed, they say here, but bike can go anywhere. And this is heavy duty machine guys, so I'll ride this bike, this terrain. Don't bother about the tourists, guys. I'm not alone here. There's a lot of people left when I was taking some rest there. So you will see on the beach. Okay, I'll cut from here and show you something. See, you see this? But oh, my bike got stuck here in this. But I'll manage, guys. Don't worry about that. Okay, let's go. So I have done. So the tourist had kept their bike here. You see, the lots of tourists here, all tourist vehicles. So I'll ride it till the end, till where I can ride the bike. Okay. So this is it. Lot of tourists on the way. So I'll take from here. Maybe other side there. Okay, let's go. So I bought my bike till here. Even last time when I bought, I just kept my bike here also. So lots of tourists there on the way. They are just coming. It's around 12:30 in the afternoon. So beach is little bit 5 minutes, not even 3 minutes maybe walk. So I'll take my things and walk there. Okay. Lot of tourists here, guys. What problem is they have to walk 2.5 kilometers if they come on the car. But for bike it's not like that. I'm just 3 minutes away from the beach. I've ridden till the beach my bike. So I'll show you the beach now. So guys, welcome to the butterfly beach with the bike Baba. So this is it. So it's 12:30 in the afternoon now. Lots of people and people are on the way who are heading towards beach here, and they have boating also. So this is it, guys. Last time when we came, we were 2 person here on this beach. So all the tourists here, not locals, only. South Indian movie has shooten at this place. You guys, some of guys you know, and some of you don't know. People have to enjoy this place, but it's 4 kilometers inside from the main road. Because it's a bike, not a scooter. So this is it, guys. Last time when we had come in the evening time here, but so now it's afternoon. So it's all a rocky place here beside the beach. It's a small beach, but very valuable. take out my bike from there. I'll just try it. Okay, let's go. So people are gathering here. I'm heading back now. So I'll go that beach, Ghana beach there, after I finish here. So people are leaving now. Some people don't wait, they just leave. Some coming for adventure. Lots of people are coming here now. They just lots of group from different states. The Malayali group, around 25 people have just now arrived. They was appreciating me for my bike ride here, standing bike ride on TVS Axle, and even some vloggers they even shooted me. One thing I like to tell you guys, because this bike has no gears, and this only 5 minutes away walking time, so I cannot pick up the bike suddenly to climb the mountain sudden steps. So that's my bike. It's very hard to climb here because it doesn't have any gears to get the pickup. So I'll grab it. Okay guys, I came out from the rough terrain there. It was too hard for me to, because this bike doesn't have any gears, that's why. So they keep here all the bikes. From here it's easy road, maybe some water on the way. So from here I will end this video guys. See you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.